Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. If your credit card debt keeps growing because of high interest rates, then a balance transfer can be a great option. Many people ask how to do a balance transfer between credit cards, and the answer is simple. You move your balance to another card with a 0% APR offer. This stops extra interest from piling up and helps you pay off your debt faster. This video will be a little longer, but in this video, we will explain the step-by-step process of transferring balances from credit cards of big credit card providers in the USA, such as Bank of America, Chase Bank, American Express, Citibank, and Capital One, to another credit card. If your credit score is very low, your credit card debt has increased a lot, and no one is issuing you another credit card, then in such a condition, we have also explained in this video a method through which you can still transfer your credit card balance to another credit card. Before understanding the step-by-step process, it is very important to know these 5 points. First, check how much the transfer fee will be for the credit card you are issuing for balance transfer, and this normal fee ranges from 3% to 5%. After that, check the intro APR of that credit card. When a customer of another bank becomes a customer of a new bank, then they run some offers and also keep the intro APR very low, even up to 0%. For the first 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. So you have to select the credit card whose intro APR is 0% and whose time limit is as long as possible. After that, it is also very important to check regular APR, because after the initial offer ends, what the regular APR will be. Some banks have an APR much higher than normal credit card APR, so you must check this first. Then comes the credit limit. The credit card you are issuing should be able to cover the full amount of your previous credit card, so you must check this too. Then comes processing timing, like how long it will take for your balance to transfer. Normally, it takes from a few days to a few weeks. Now let's talk about how the balance will be transferred. So first, let's understand Bank of America. This is the official credit card balance transfer page of Bank of America. We will give links to the balance transfer pages of all banks in the video description, so that you can reach that page with just one click. Here, you must carefully read all the offers available. You will find details like intro, APR, regular, APR, time limit, cashback offers, and more. Whichever you like, click on the Apply Now button. As soon as you click on it, processing will continue for a while. You just have to wait a little. After that, the complete details of option you clicked on will open. You can read them carefully, then scroll down. If you are already a customer, then log in. If not, you can apply from here. Remember, most credit card balance transfers do not happen within same bank, so you will need to apply from here. You must fill in all the required details, then click Next. When you click Next, the contact information page will open. After that, the appointment page will open, and then the finish page will open. If we explain every step, the video will become very long, which will cause you inconvenience. That's why we explained it in short. After applying, save the application slip. You will also get the information about how many days it will take for your credit card to be issued and how many days for the balance transfer. For more details, you can talk to Bank of America's customer support. Next, let's talk about Chase Bank. You will get the link to Chase Bank's credit card balance transfer page in the description. As soon as you scroll down on this page, you will need to sign in. For this, you must have a bank account in Chase Bank. After that, log in here with the username and password. Then, go to the credit card balance transfer option, enter the amount, and complete the application. Chase Bank requires a few extra formalities in balance transfers, so you must keep that in mind. Next, let's talk about American Express. This is the official page for American Express credit card balance transfer. You will also get its link in the description. On these pages, you will always find updated information, which is why we are giving you their links. On this page, it is clearly written that the credit card balance transfer offer is currently available only on 2 types of credit cards. The first is this card, and the second is this card. Click on them to read their details carefully. If you like all the offers, then click on Apply Now. As soon as you click Apply Now, the processing will run for a while. You just have to wait a little. After that, a new page will open and the application will be completed in 3 steps. You will see options to fill in all the required information. After filling all the options, click on Continue to Terms. Then in the next step, the application will be submitted. And finally, you must accept. A few days after your application is submitted, your credit card will be issued and your balance will be transferred. Next, let's talk about Citibank. The process of Citibank is a little easier compared to other banks. When you go to Citibank's credit card balance transfer page, you will see all the offers available. Click on the Apply Now button under whichever offer you like. A new page will open and processing will run for a while. You just have to wait a little. As soon as this page fully opens, you will get the option to fill in all the required information. You must fill in all the information very carefully. After that, there are two boxes here. Tick them and click on Agree and Submit. Your application will be submitted, and within a few days, your credit card will be issued and your balance transfer will be completed. Next, let's talk about Capital One Bank. We have also opened its credit card balance transfer page. You will get its link in the description. When we scroll down here, many credit cards are available that provide the balance transfer facility. You can also tick them and compare them with each other. Which credit card gives rewards, which offers interest discounts, and which one offers intro APR for a longer period. After comparing all this, select your final card. Under that card, you will see the Apply Now button. Click on it. Again, a new page will open. There you will be asked for all the required information. After filling it in, click on Continue. And if you already have an account in Capital One, then click on Pre-fill application, enter your account number, and your required information will be auto-filled. After completing all the steps, the application is submitted. And after waiting a few days, your credit card will be delivered to you and your balance transfer will be completed. If any problem arises after applying to these banks, you can talk to the customer support of that bank and solve your issue. In this way, you can easily apply for credit card balance transfers in almost all types of banks. Now, let's talk about if your credit score is bad, your credit card debt has increased a lot, and a credit card is not being issued. In such a situation, you can ask a relative or friend to apply for a credit card in their name for you. Whatever limit is available on that card, transfer that amount to another bank account. Then use the balance in that account to make payment on your credit card. This way, the interest on your credit card will reduce a lot. This is the easiest and safest way. You need to keep one thing in mind. Whatever intro APR period you get, say 12 months or 18 months, you must repay your friends or relatives' card before that. Otherwise, interest will start applying on that card too. This way, you can save yourself from paying extra interest. We have told you the process of credit card balance transfer for all the banks. You will find the links to the official pages of credit card balance transfer for all the banks in the description of the video.